Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of potato farming. Potatoes, a dietary staple for billions, start their journey from humble seeds buried in the soil. Today, we'll take you through the intricate process of cultivating and harvesting these golden tubers, highlighting the blend of traditional methods and modern technology that ensures a successful harvest. Let's uncover the story behind the potatoes on your plate. Potatoes, often celebrated as the king of tubers, are a cornerstone of global agriculture and cuisine. Originating from the highlands of the Andes in South America, these nutrient-rich crops have become an indispensable part of diets and economies worldwide. Known for their adaptability, potatoes thrive in diverse climates and soil types, making them a reliable food source for communities across continents. Their versatility extends from kitchens to industries, serving as ingredients in countless recipes, processed products like chips and frozen fries, and even as raw materials in biofuel production. Nutritionally, potatoes are packed with carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins like vitamin C and potassium, offering sustenance and health benefits. Economically, they provide livelihoods for millions of farmers, with smallholders and large-scale producers alike reaping the rewards of this resilient crop. From their humble beginnings in mountain soils to their journey through modern fields powered by advanced technology, potatoes are more than just a staple. They are a testament to the ingenuity of agriculture and their vital role in feeding the world. Their story reflects a blend of history, science, and cultural significance, making them one of the most fascinating crops to cultivate and harvest. Potatoes are one of the most versatile crops, thriving in a wide range of climates. However, their optimal growth depends on careful preparation. The process begins with choosing the right seed potatoes, small pieces of mature potatoes with at least one eye. These seeds are the building blocks of the crop, and their quality significantly impacts yield. The soil preparation process is crucial. Farmers till the soil to make it loose and well-drained, which allows the potato tubers to expand freely. Enriched with organic matter, the soil provides the necessary nutrients. Farmers often test the soil for pH levels, aiming for a slightly acidic range of 5.0 to 6.0 to promote healthy growth. Once the soil is ready, the seed potatoes are planted in rows, with each piece placed 12 to 15 inches apart. This spacing ensures the plants have enough room to grow without competition. Covering the seeds with about 3 to 4 inches of soil protects them from direct sunlight while allowing the shoots to break through as they grow. Hilling, an essential practice, involves mounding soil around the base of the plants as they grow. This protects the developing tubers from sunlight and pests while increasing the potential yield. Consistent watering is also critical, especially during the tuber formation phase. Too little water can stunt growth, while too much can lead to rot or disease. The harvesting phase is a culmination of months of care and monitoring. Farmers begin by observing the plants for signs of maturity. Yellowing leaves and dried stems indicate that the tubers are ready to be unearthed. Timing is everything. Harvesting too early results in underdeveloped tubers, while waiting too long can expose the crop to pests and diseases. Traditional harvesting methods involve manually digging up potatoes with spades or forks. While this method is still used by small-scale farmers, larger operations rely on mechanized harvesters. These machines simplify the process, digging into the soil, lifting the tubers, and separating them from debris. Modern harvesters can handle vast areas of farmland, drastically reducing labor costs and time. Harvesting is done with care to avoid bruising or cutting the potatoes. Damaged tubers have shorter storage lives and are less appealing in the market. As the tubers are collected, they are gently placed in containers to minimize impact. Once harvested, potatoes undergo sorting and grading. This process involves separating high-quality tubers from damaged or undersized ones. Farmers or machines sort potatoes based on size and weight, ensuring uniformity for market distribution. Curing is the next critical step. This involves storing potatoes in warm, humid conditions for about 2 weeks. During this period, minor cuts or bruises heal, and the skins harden, making the tubers more resistant to spoilage. Once cured, the potatoes are moved to long-term storage facilities. Storage conditions are meticulously maintained. Potatoes are kept in dark, cool environments at temperatures between 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit 4 to 10 degrees Celsius to prevent sprouting and decay. Proper ventilation ensures that excess moisture does not accumulate, which could lead to mold growth. Potato farming comes with its challenges. Pests like potato beetles and wireworms can wreak havoc on crops, while diseases such as late blight can cause significant losses. Farmers use integrated pest management (IPM) techniques, combining biological, chemical, and cultural methods to combat these threats. Weather also plays a crucial role. Excessive rain can waterlog the soil, leading to rot, while drought conditions can stunt growth. Farmers increasingly rely on advanced irrigation systems and weather monitoring tools to mitigate these risks. Technology has transformed every aspect of potato harvesting, enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and sustainability. From planting to post-harvest processing, advancements have streamlined operations while minimizing resource use and waste. One of the most significant innovations is GPS-guided machinery, which allows for precision planting and harvesting. These tractors and harvesters operate with millimeter accuracy, ensuring minimal overlap or missed areas. This precision reduces soil compaction and optimizes field usage, leading to higher yields. Automated potato harvesters equipped with advanced sensors and AI capabilities are a game changer. These machines not only dig and lift potatoes but also sort them from debris, rocks, and soil in real time. By using cameras and algorithms, they identify tubers' quality, size, and shape, separating market-ready produce from lower-grade or damaged potatoes. This significantly reduces the need for manual labor while maintaining high standards of product quality. The integration of these technologies has revolutionized potato farming, making it not only more productive but also environmentally conscious. As advancements continue, the industry is moving toward a future where precision agriculture and automation play an even greater role in meeting global food demands sustainably. The journey of a potato from soil to table is a blend of tradition, science, and innovation. Behind every golden tuber lies the dedication of farmers and the marvel of modern agricultural practices. Whether mashed, fried, or baked, potatoes are a testament to the hard work that feeds the world. Stay tuned for more stories from the world of agriculture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the incredible journey of crops from farms to your plate.